Hello friends, welcome back. Sometimes all we need is a little bit of reorganizing plus few clever hacks to make our lives feel simpler and more enjoyable. So the goal of today's video is to provide you the best ways to make most of the everyday items at our home, and that too at zero cost. So are you ready? Let's get started. Here is a smart folding technique which will save you space and also make your drawer more organized. When the socks are folded like a long tube, they occupy a lot of space. Let's try a new technique. After you lay one sock on top of the other, you roll tightly from the toes up to the cuff, and then you tuck the cuff over the rolled up sock to keep them secure. This way, they stay compact and take up much less space, making room for more items in your drawer. If you've ever noticed, those stubborn coffee or tea stains on the bottom of your cups or mugs are quite hard to remove. Here I've got a quick and easy trick to tackle those stains. Adding a teaspoon of baking soda into each mug, you can then add some hot water. You can also apply it as a paste if the stains are very old and stubborn. And after a few minutes, you just wash it with a dish soap. The gentle abrasiveness of the baking soda lifts the stains without scratching the surface. The next one is a clever hack to keep slippery scarves or delicate clothing in place on hangers. Sometimes when we pull out one scarf, we have a number of them falling off from the hanger. Here is a practical solution for organizing items that tend to slip off hangers. All you need is a cloth bag. Just slip the cloth bag over the hanger and you can secure it either by using safety pins, or you can also hand stitch the bag from the sides. If your cloth bag happens to be longer than the one that I'm showing, you might not even need to secure it because the friction of the fabric makes it stay in place. I have a couple of scarves over here which I would like to hang on one single hanger because I like to keep them all together. So I'm going to add another cloth bag so that it can be made into layers. One of the great things about using cloth bags to keep slippery clothes or scarves in place on the hangers is that they are lightweight. Unlike heavier materials, cloth bags won't add any extra weight to your hanger. So now when I pull out one scarf, I don't have a bunch of others falling from the hanger. Stacking chopping boards one on top of the other can be such a hassle. It's inconvenient to lift the whole stack just to grab the one that you need. So in order to solve this problem, I had this book or file holder that was left unused. So I'm going to use it to organize not only the chopping boards but also the serving boards because it has plenty of slots and can easily hold all of them. This way, since each board has its own slot, it makes it so much more easier to pull out one without disturbing the rest. Plus, I ended up creating more space where I just inserted a tiny tray and put in more items which are of daily use. The next tip is an easy and effective way to extend the shelf life of delicate herbs. So if you store your greens in a box like how I do or in a Ziploc bag, they do tend to collect moisture and this eventually falls on the greens, making them spoiled easily. In order to avoid this problem, you just need to use a tissue paper and insert it on top of the greens. The paper towel absorbs excess moisture, which is often the culprit behind wilting and spoilage of greens. The next tip is regarding the guest napkins that we usually keep in a tray or in a basket. When these napkins are organized with a specific fold, it's clear which ones are untouched, reducing the chance of mixing up clean and used napkins. When you fold the napkins just into a simple roll, sometimes it gets really confusing to identify which ones were used and which ones were just rolled and kept back in the tray. Let's try this technique which I had shown in my previous video for folding big towels. We can apply the same one for folding these tiny napkins. This fold not only looks elegant but also makes it easy for guests to grab just one without disturbing the whole stack. Here's a simple hack to avoid accidentally eating stale snacks. By using a masking tape on the boxes or directly on the package of snacks with short expiry dates, you can just write the expiry date on the tape so that it's easy to see at one glance. This way you can keep track of what to consume first, and it also helps reduce wastage in your pantry. When you have a handbag that has softer sides that tend to collapse, usually we end up putting some paper or maybe some old clothes, but that is so much stuff to remove when you want to use the handbag. Here is a simple trick. You can use a sturdy placemat that will help support the bag's base, preventing it from sagging or losing shape over time. This is such an inexpensive way to give your handbags structure, keeping them looking new and maintaining their shape. Let's take a look how we can hang long dresses on a hanger without these occupying a lot of vertical space in your closet. You can begin by placing the dress lengthwise and folding on either sides. Then, by just using one hanger, you need to keep the length of the dress over the hanger so that the bottom of the dress is resting on the hanger. Finally, once the length is secured, adjust the shoulder straps to rest comfortably on the hanger. This method allows the dress to hang shorter and occupies less vertical space. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you're new and you like such content, do consider subscribing to my channel. I make new videos every single week. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.